Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Viksi. I haven't done with my face videos for a really long time. So today I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna refresh how I curl my hair with a straightener, and I'm using the GHD one. This is the one. And so what I do is I have a lot of hair, a lot of layers on my hair. I blow dry my hair straight so I can smoothen it, and now I'm gonna curl my hair. And what I do is I just split my hair in half like that, then I just take a small section. So if you want the curls to hold longer, I would suggest you to do just small pieces, because if you do them big, then the hair drops much faster. With me, when I do that, I don't even have to use any hairspray after that, because I don't like when the hairspray just makes the hair like a bit hard, and then after a few days it's a bit sticky. So it just stays like that natural. And this is one of the curl. I'm gonna show you slowly, then I put that in the bag and I drop another piece and I just pin it. So this is one small piece, and then what I do is I do it like, instead of going down, what I do is I just clip it, turn it around so this piece comes down, and I just start sliding it like that. It's like I'm straightening the hair, it's just I have to twist it one time. And this is the curl, which is not that wavy. So if I want to do it more wavy, more curly, so if I'm going for an evening look, not like a day look, what I'm going to do is, so small piece like that, I twist it, and then I just keep the hair straight. Instead of going like that in an angle, I just keep it like that straight, so the curl is tighter. And that did not work out. So anyway, when that happens, don't try to fix that. It needs to cool down the curl, because when it's hot, it's not going to curl enough, because it needs to cool down, so it can actually, when you put the heat again, it can take the structure. So I'm gonna wait for that to cool down, and let's try again. So even as a hairdresser, that sometimes happens, and at the moment, to be honest, I do have keratin on my hair. I mean a keratin hair mask, which I've done myself. I've created my own hair mask, which is with a lot of vitamins and keratin. I use that on my clients in the salon. So let's try again. Twist down, and then slowly start pulling it down. And this is nice tight curl, as you can see. So let's sort this out. So we push that in the back, we twist, and then slowly. Don't keep the straightener for too long on the same spot on the hair, because you will burn the hair. And please don't forget to use heat protector. There you go. That's nice and curly. So push that back, and I will see you in a minute when I start doing the other side. And you see, I forgot to mention that the main thing is when you curl your hair, when you do it, you have to go away from the face with the curl, because look how this is pointing out. If you go in, then that will close your face, and it will make you look like a ball. It will come inside, and then it will bother you all night. So this is what I do. There you go, it's away from the face, and slowly you start sliding. And this is a beautiful curls. Don't touch the curls till they're actually cool down. So like that, you will have them for a really long time. When I do mine, I have like the next day that they drop a little bit, then after that I can go like that for 3-4 days. So I'll show you here. What I do is there. So I start here, clap it, go out, and then just start pulling it like that. There you go. And the last piece, I do like that curl, so it stays away from my face. There you go. And I have few pieces here which are straight, so I'm going to fix that. Put them away from the face. There you go. So this is one side done. Now I will start with the other side, and of course with the, so I have it here, like in the back, all the curls. So I'm going to push that forward, so I don't mix with the other side of the hair. I know everyone, I have lots of clients, I teach them how to use the straightener, how to do their curls, and they say, but it's very hard, I can't do it. So every time I show them, and few of them, they start doing it. And it's very hard when you have a lot of hair. So this one, now we have to go the other way. So it's quite hard because it's much easier on one side when you're using exactly the same hand to do the curls. And this is the curls. So we keep going like that. We push that back, take it to this side, so we don't miss any pieces. We don't blend it with the new hair which we haven't curled yet. And we take a small piece, because I'm going away now. It's today is the 15th of February. I'm shooting that video, and I'm going to see my boyfriend, who is like 5.5 hours away from me at the moment. That's why he went to work. And now, after I finish with my clients, I have to go home, get ready, and then I have to leave. So that's why I'm doing my hair now. And I want my hair to last like that for a few days, because doing my own hair, it takes a while. Just washing it and blow drying it takes me 1 hour, and I do not like to wash and dry my hair in other places, because I have to use my own products. Like I said, I have my own hair mask, I have my shampoos, I use a lot of oils, and I cannot take everything with me. And as you can see, like, I've done changes to my hair. I've done some highlights, and I start lightening my bottom half of the hair, because I would like to go blonde, but I do not want to be that blonde anymore. I like my dark roots. So I think next time what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some low lights done, so it can blend better with my bottom half of the hair. So as you can see, just small pieces we take, so we have like nice tight curls, but not very tight, because we're not going to a prom, of course. What else is happening with my life? My dog is doing very well, Sumo. He's been a bit poorly the last few days. He's had a bad stomach, so we had to swap with giving him dry foods, because I cooked for him some rice and chicken, but I think it's just too much for him to eat only wet food. I'll show you in the future videos. Hopefully I can do that. I'll show him to you to see how well he's doing. He's gone a bit more gray. I had Dave from the rave asking me how Sumo is doing. He's doing very well, bless him, and he's getting old. He had 5 teeth pulled out like a few months ago, so that's why I wanted to start giving him homemade food only, because he's finding it difficult to chew. He's got half of his teeth gone, but he's doing really well. He's been so healthy, except the last few days with his stomach, but when his mom is home, he's feeling much better. And yeah, that's what's happening with my life. I have a new niece who is going to be 1 year old in March, 30th of March, so I have bought a ticket, and I'm going for a week to celebrate her first birthday. Her name is Gabriela. They called her Gabriela. Other news is my best friend, she just gave birth as well a few days ago. So she called her daughter Ivala like my first born niece, my older niece. So I'm so grateful. I haven't been there to see her yet, but I'm trying to wait a little bit so they can settle, because I know it's very hard when you have a newborn baby, so I don't want to go there and put pressure on them. So I will wait a few days. Yeah, the salon is going very well. It's not been that busy January and February because I was really busy November and December. I had so many people. I done highlights, color corrections, color changes, and if you've watched some of my previous videos, you can see them. What I've done a lot of blondies, and that's one of my favorite things to do blonde hair, to experiment with blonde products. And if you've seen, I finally managed to get Igora Vibrance, the demi one, the ones I've been waiting to come in UK for like a year, and I have tried this color, the toners, and they're just amazing. So yeah, that's for now. Let me just finish with my hands, guys. This I'm done. So this is how the curls look like. They're a bit tight, and here I have more layers because I've turned the hair that way. So when I'm done with my curls, what I do is I have my own oil, which I have like 10 organic oils I've mixed for my clients and for me to use. This is the bottle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my oil. It's all organic inside. It has like grapeseed oil, coconut oil, oh, there's so many, tea tree oil, lavender oil, rose oil. I've just done so big mixture, so it helps with the split ends, heat protector, sun protection. I use that for my cuticles, for the nails as well, every night, and then it really helps. So just half a drop I put, and then what I do is I just put my hands through the hair because I do not want my hair to be so curly, but I'm trying not to destroy the curls too much. So I just want to get rid of the like frizz, if the ends have some kind of a frizz, because if you have curly hair naturally you will get that frizz, or if you haven't blow dried your hair properly. So, and here as you can see, there you go, just a little bit. Don't go on the roots because you'll make your hair oily. And so this one will drop. I've done it on purpose, so there you go, it's forming really nicely, so tight. I've done it on purpose because I do want my curls to last longer. And this is my natural look. I'll show you the back, how it looks like. I hope you can see here. My hair is gone really like long, and then I put a little bit of oil, and I can't see myself in the back, but I'm sure you can see. There you go. So after an hour or two, the curls will form even much better. They will look more natural. So for now, because this will bother me when my clients they come and I work on the hair, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pin that up like that, and I have this little clip which I love. There you go. I'll just put that for now so it's not on the way my fringe, and that's it. So that's the final result, guys. That's how I curl my hair, and believe me, it does last for like few days, and I don't have to do anything about it. I don't put any hairspray because, as I said, I don't like when my hair gets sticky. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and I will try my best to do some videos from when I go to Bulgaria. My sister, she's got a disaster with her hair. She called me, she goes, "Oh sis, what shall I put on my hair?" So I said to her, just leave it, let me come back, and then I will sort it out. So I'm hoping I can do that, and my niece can film it, so I can show you what I'm doing at home with I have to use like home cooking foil, and I have to use like home dye bleach and the colors. So yeah, just keep watching, and then I'll see you later. Bye.